Hello everyone, welcome to MSFT Webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to configure email forwarding for a user mailbox in Exchange 2019. Email forwarding settings allows us to set up a mailbox to forward email messages sent to a user's mailbox to another user's mailbox in or outside of our Exchange organization. Both user and administrator can set up email forwarding for the user mailbox. User can use Outlook on the web to configure email forwarding using inbox rule, and administrator can use Exchange Admin Center or Exchange Management Shell to enable email forwarding. In this guide, first we will use Exchange Admin Center to enable email forwarding. For that, I'm going to click on Internet Explorer and type in URL https://localhost/ECP and press Enter key to access Exchange Admin Center. Click on More Information and click on Go onto the web page. Let's sign in as an administrator with the password. In the Exchange Admin Center, we need to click on Mailboxes tab. From the list of user mailbox, select the user you want to set up forwarding for. In this demo, we will set up email forwarding for the user mailbox Jaisa. So let's select it and click on Edit icon. Let me maximize it. On the mailbox properties page, we need to click on mailbox features. Let's scroll a little bit. Under mail flow, we need to click on view details to view or change the settings for forwarding email messages. Here, we need to check the enable forwarding checkbox and then we need to click on browse button. On the select recipient web page, select a user you want to forward all emails to. In this example, I'll select Anant Panchal. Click on OK. OK, so as you can see, Anant Panchal is selected. We also want to select deliver message to both forwarding address and mailbox, as we want both the recipient and the forwarding email address to get copies of the emails sent. If you want to specify recipient limit, then select the checkbox for maximum recipient. And after selecting the checkbox, you can specify the limit value as per your organization's requirement. Fine, I'm not going to select it. We simply want to enable email forwarding in this guide. Let's click on OK to save the changes. Click on Save to save the changes. To verify email forwarding, we will use Outlook on the web. For that, I'm going to click on Google Chrome. And let's type URL https://mail.msftwebcast.com/ova to access Outlook on the web. Let's use the credential of our domain administrator. Let's specify the password and click on Sign In. Let's compose a new mail by clicking on New. Let's specify the email address of Jaisa. Let's click on Send to send this message. This email should forward it to the Anant Panchal as well. Let's sign out from the Outlook on the web. And let's sign in again with the credential of user Anant Panchal. Here we can see the copy of the mail which was sent by administrator to Jaisa. Let's see that. As you can see, this mail is sent by administrator to Jaisa, but still user Anant Panchal is receiving a copy of that mail due to email forwarding. Let's sign out from Outlook on the web and let's close it. Let's go to Exchange Management Shell, as we also want to see the cmdlate to configure email forwarding. We will use set-mailbox cmdlate to configure the email forwarding for the user mailbox. The cmdlate is going to be set-mailbox identity of our user, which is going to be Seema Kapadia in our example. We're going to use switch-forwarding SMTP address And here I'm going to specify the email address of our user Anand Panchal at msftwebcast.com. In case if you want both the recipient and the forwarding email address to get copies of the email sent, then we need to add parameter -delivered to mailbox and forward, and we need to set this value to true. So our full cmdelete is going to be set-mailbox-identity Seema Kapadia -forwarding SMTP address anant.panchal at msftwebcast.com -delivered to mailbox and forward. Value is going to be true. Now we simply need to press enter key. Perfect. The command is completed successfully. To verify we have successfully configured email forwarding using cmdelete, we are going to use cmdelete get-mailbox. Again, we need to specify -switch identity. It is going to be Seema Kapadia. Format list, forwarding SMTP address, delivered to mailbox and forward. Now we simply need to press enter key. As you can see, forwarding SMTP address is set to anant.panchal at msftwebcast.com and delivered to mailbox and forward value is also set to true. That means we have successfully configured email forwarding for our user mailbox Seema Kapadia using the Exchange Management Shell. That's all for this video on how to configure email forwarding in Exchange 2019 using the Exchange Admin Center and Exchange Management Shell. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.